National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marengo, moving north at 35 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. The thunderstorm was located near Marengo, moving north. The lake, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Spring Grove, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, Piscataqui Highlands. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations and passengers: Crystal Lake, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hun Lake, Fox Lake, Harvard, Marengo, Hampshire, Johnsburg, Lake Lure, Spring Grove, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, Piscataqui Highlands, Prairie Grove, Richmond, Hebron, and Valley. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 41. This includes McHenry County College and McHenry County Fairgrounds. Lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 1. This includes McHenry County College.
Head to your app store, search Air.
Building. Large hail.